Good morning from Anchorage Airport, and it is time to get going to Seattle. So we got a fun flight down the Pacific Coast, about 3.5 hours, and we'll be in Seattle by lunchtime. To Seattle Airport and just got some lunch, so now we'll be headed over to Liz's bakery she's been excited about.
Went to Deep Sea Sugar and Salt for some cake slices. I got the chocolate attack, I think it was called, and there's a s'mores one under there. We realized we had to get going because traffic's pretty bad heading out to the whitewater rafting place.
You are my soul, my religion. You were my best decision. Whatever it takes, I'm ready to break my own rules. Next to you, nothing else matters. Now my whole world has been shattered. Baby, I can't sleep. Been chasing my heartbeat. Can't stop, won't stop, don't stop now.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh my god. That's 45 seconds.
What do you think, Liz?
Stop, don't stop now. Don't stop now. Be a little, just a little closer. Don't stop now.
Good morning from Seattle. On our way over to get breakfast right now, and then headed up to the Boeing Future of Flight Museum. Had a pretty cool time at the Boeing tour earlier, seeing the 777 factory and everything. And now we're over at Pike Place Market, which is pretty busy, but pretty interesting to see. Liz is somewhere around here getting food.
You there, won't you? Coming closer, 'cause I want you near. Lean in, won't you? Come on over, 'cause you're all welcome here. If only we could all get together. Only we could all have company. Only we could all get together. All the better off we all could be. So won't you come by, don't you? Be a stranger, 'cause you are a friend to me. These days get a little better with a little company. If only we could all get together. Only we could all have company. Only we could all get together. All the better off we all could be.
We had a nice time on that whale watching cruise, and then got some dinner at Din Tai Fung in downtown Seattle. And now we're checking out this Kubota Gardens Japanese style park that's right near the Airbnb here close to sunset. And then we'll be headed back, and we might actually get 8 hours of sleep tonight for the first time on the trip. Whoa! Good night from Seattle and our last night here of the trip. Good morning, Sunday, July 8th. We just checked out of our Airbnb here, and now we are headed over to the Hangar Cafe for some breakfast, and then out to Mount Rainier for hiking today before we eventually take a red-eye back to Detroit tonight. Welcome to Mount Rainier National Park, and we're doing the Skyline Loop right now, which giving some crazy views.
Help me out, yeah, you know you gotta help me out, yeah, don't you put me on the back burner, you know you gotta help me out, yeah, and when there's nowhere else to run, is there room for one more sun? These changes ain't changing me, the gold-hearted boy I used to be. Yeah, you know you gotta help me out. Yeah, oh, don't you put me on the back burner. You know you gotta help me out. Yeah, you're gonna bring yourself down. Yeah, you're gonna bring yourself down. Yeah, you're gonna bring yourself down.
Pretty crazy views from here. There's Mount Adams, second highest peak in Washington State, and over there, Mount St. Helens.
Not a soldier, I got soul, but I'm not a soldier. 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 Yeah, you know you gotta help me out. Yeah, oh, don't you put me on the back burner. You know you gotta help me out. Yeah, you're gonna bring yourself down. Yeah, you're gonna bring yourself down. Yeah, oh, don't you put me on the back burner. You're gonna bring yourself down. Yeah, you're gonna bring yourself down.
Alright, well, it's super hot in Seattle, so we got some ice cream here before we head back to the airport, and then we'll be back to Detroit by 5 a.m. tomorrow morning Eastern time.
Done.